Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you may see, I'm Sana, but it doesn't look like I'm really Sana. I'm Witch Sana, and it looks all over here spooky because it's getting close to the day that's Halloween with candy. Who's ready for some magic tricks? So here I have a cup of witch's potion powder. I'm gonna put something here, and the magic trick will make an explosion. Wow, look at it go! It's our own witch explosion! Put it one more time. It's again exploding! And now let's try the blue one. All of them are exploding! It's our own witch's potion. Are those actually magic tricks? No, there is some science behind it. So let's talk about the explosion first. The explosion happened because baking soda is a base and vinegar is an acid. And when you add acid and base, it forms a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is something where there's something completely new, and it does a reaction that's different from the two other base and acid. So our chemical reaction was exploding or getting bigger and bigger. Who's ready for some magic tricks? I have one bottle of witch's water, and I have 3 candles with fire on them. When I open this witch's liquid, the candles might even go off for our magic trick. Wow, look, all the candles went off! So from that chemical reaction, it also explodes and forms carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide tries to get out. But since we close the bottle, it can't go anywhere. So when we open the bottle, it rushes out and puts out the fire. Why, when I opened the green bottle, then the fire candles went off because carbon dioxide was like offing them. And that's also when firefighters, they put out fires, they use carbon dioxide too. And so they use carbon dioxide and the fire gets off. I hope you understood about acid, bases, and what we talked about today. And also have a great Halloween. And also have a spooky Halloween. Bye bye, watch my other videos.